The involvement of a Jamaica Defense Force (JDF) soldier in this incident raises serious questions about the broader implications for national security and public trust in the armed forces. Some individuals may be hailing Private Fernando Wayne Dixon as a hero, mistakenly believing he shot the two men on the motorcycle who attacked the vehicle. However, the police's preliminary investigation clarifies that this is not the case. According to Acting Assistant Commissioner Michael Phipps, the confrontation stemmed from gang rivalry. Private Dixon and others, allegedly associated with the Rome gang, were traveling in an Audi after leaving a nightclub when they were attacked by members of the William Lane gang on a motorcycle. The vehicle collided with the motorcycle during the incident, injuring the rider and pillion, but there is no evidence that Dixon fired shots or acted heroically in defense. 2 men were taken into custody, while 2 others, known only by the aliases Mushy Gushy and Whizzle, are being sought by investigators.